Alright, what's up guys? It's Aaron from howtosbybros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a front flip on a trampoline and land it. So how to do a front flip on a trampoline and land it. Front flips are easy to do, but they're not easy to land for some people. So I'm going to be going over the steps you need to take to land it, and so let's dive right into it. So first of all, you need to have a front flip to your butt. We've had plenty of tutorials on how to do a front flip. Simple, just landing on your butt. Like, you just need to be able to do that, landing on your butt just like this. Alright, once you can do that, then you're ready to move on to the next step, which is landing it. Alright, so first of all, when you're going, you want to, get, the more height you get, the more scared you're going to get. So don't get too much height, but get enough height where you're not standing still. So just a little bit of height. And so what you're going to do is put your arms up and then throw your arms forward. That's going to give you the momentum you need. And then you're going to tuck your knees in, all right? Tuck your shins in, just like this. Practice that, just like this, boom. All right, once you have that, once you have all those steps, you just have to practice to land it. It's gonna take a little while to get the hang of it and get the timing down of letting go of your tuck at the right time, but once you get it, you have it. So arms up, shoot up, and then tuck, and then let go. Make sure, like, your timing, I close my eyes personally when I'm doing it, but when you're tucking, you want to open up when you see kind of like the sky, all right? You want to start opening up then. So I'll show you. So just like that, really simple, really easy, guys. It's a fun trick, and it's fun to land, all right? So, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you click some of the links in the description for a free workout program on how to get a six-pack and an accountability software to keep you accountable if you're struggling with addiction at all. So just click some of the links in the description for that. Other than that, God bless. Have a great day.